This is Noé Carvajal, and this is my Assignment 5 Elapsed Time Educational video. 4th grade Math TEKS 4.8c, solve problems that deal with measurements of intervals of time using addition. The problem: Noe is going to watch the Captain America Civil War movie that begins at 11:44 a.m. If the movie is 2 hours and 27 minutes long, what time will it be over?
So to solve the problem, what you're probably going to start out doing is adding the two times together, which is the start time of 11:44 a.m. to the length of the movie, which was 2 hours and 27 minutes. Okay, and in doing this, you're going to get 7, 11, 7. So you may be tempted to say that the movie will be over at 1371, but this is not a real time. There is no such time as 1371. Okay? And the reason for this is that you're forgetting two things. First thing is that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? And this is a common misconception that students have. You have to remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? So if we remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, now we can break down the 71 into 60 plus 11. So this 60 equals 1 hour plus 11 minutes. So now we have 13 plus 1 hour, that's 14, and 11 minutes. Okay. The other thing that you often struggle with is changing time from AM to PM. Remember that the time only has 12 hours, and you can see that here on an analog clock. So our starting time was 11:44, and if we see the elapsed time, so 1 hour has elapsed, 2 hours, and now we're going to go for 27 minutes. That's 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. So now we can see that the time is actually 2 and 11 minutes, 2 hours and 11 minutes, which is the same thing that we have here. We just need to remember that we need to take off 12 because there's only 12 hours in the AM and 12 hours in the PM. So the movie will be over at 2:11 p.m. To solve the problem and avoid the misconceptions, we're going to use a timeline for a 12 hours AM and PM. Okay, we're going to start out our timeline at around 11:44 a.m., which is the time that the movie started. Okay, and then we're just simply going to move along in our timeline. So from 11:44 to 12, and we'll just continue moving forward till we get to 12:44, and this would have been 1 hour of elapsed time, and then we'll move forward again until we get to 1:44, and this is 2 hours, so that's 1 hour, 2 hours have elapsed, and then now we're just going to move forward another 27 minutes, which would have been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, right around there. So that's 2 hours and 11 minutes, and we can see that this is PM. Hopefully this educational video was beneficial to you. Remember to check back as you continue to do your homework for additional tutorials. Thank you.